Welcome to Mathematics CET classes. In this video, I will explain conic section. Before going to do the problems on this chapter, we must know the definition of eccentricity, directrix, length of latus rectum, minor axis, major axis, transverse axis of the respective conic. Of course, we know very well if E is equal to 0, E equal to 1, E is less than 1, E is greater than 1. So which is equal is circle ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ this we call it as less than, it becomes ellipse, this become hyperbola. So the study of these things we call it as conic section. So first problem the distance between the foci of the conic 7x square minus 9y square which is equal to 63 is. ನನಗೆ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 7x square minus 9y square which is equal to 63. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ divided by 63. ಸೊ x square divided by 9 minus y square divided by 7 which is equal to 1. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to root 7 which is hyperbola. The distance between the foci of the conic is given by s into s dash which is equal to 2 times of AE. So 2 times of ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, e ಅಂದ್ರೆ conic, e ಅಂದ್ರೆ eccentricity of the hyperbola is given by square root of a square plus b square divided by a. So 2 times of 3, so square root of a square plus b square divided by a andre 3. This part get cancelled. 2 into square root of a square andre 9 plus square root of b square 7 which is equal to 2 into square root of 16 which is equal to 2 into square root of 16 means 4 which is equal to 8. Answer you have C. Question number 2. If the length of the major axis of an ellipse is 17 by 8 times of the length of the minor axis, then the eccentricity of the ellipse is length of the given thing ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ, length of the major axis, length of the major axis which is equal to 2a. I call the name a into a dash. Similarly, length of the minor axis which is equal to 2b. Just I call the name b into b dash. In given name ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, if the length of the major axis that means a into a dash which is equal to 17 by 8 times of length of the minor axis b dash. a into a dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2a which is equal to 17 by 8. b into b dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2b. 2 get cancelled. So remaining part becomes 8a divided by 17 which is equal to b. Nanigenu beku, using these things you need to find out the value of eccentricity of the ellipse. E is equal to, so eccentricity of the ellipse is equal to b square equal to a square 1 minus e square. b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b value ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. So 8 square into a square divided by 17 square which is equal to a square 1 minus e square. This part get cancelled. So 8 square andre 64, 17 square andre 289 which is equal to 1 minus e square. ನಿನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು e square ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. e square ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋ, 1 minus 64 divided by 289, or in other words 289 minus 64 divided by 289 minus 64 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 225 divided by 289. So E is equal to 225 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 15 divided by 289 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 17. The eccentricity of the given ellipse is 15 by 17. Answer you have B. Question number 3. Question number 3. The focal distance of the point P on the parabola y square is equal to 12x. If the ordinate of P is 6, then the value of the value ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ 6 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y equal to 6, so y equal to 6, so you can put y equal to 6 code. Put y equal to 6 code 36, which is equal to 12x, or 36 divided by 12 is equal to x, or x is equal to ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು 3, 6. ಸೊ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ ತಾತಿದ್ಯಾ parabola, this point becomes 3, 6. So this point I need is I need 3, 0. I need to focal distance of these things using distance formula x minus x1 whole square, or you can take x2 minus x1 whole square. Nothing will happen. So x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, or interchange x2 minus x1 whole square. So which is equal to 3 minus 3 means 0, plus 0 minus 6 means 36, which is equal to square root of 36, which is equal to 6 units. So answer is B. Question number 4. The sum of the squares of the eccentricity of the conics. The conics are given is x square by 4 plus y square by 3, which is equal to 1 conic. So x square by 4 y square by 3, which is equal to another. Error conic ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆ conic ದು sum of the squares of the eccentricity. So we have, so here a is equal to 2, b is equal to root 3. Similarly, a is equal to 2, b is equal to root 3. Eccentricity of this conic is e is equal to square root of a square minus b square divided by a. Illi e is equal to square root of a square plus b square divided by a. So e is equal to square root of a square andre, so 4 minus square root of b square and 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So similarly, e is equal to square root of 4 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to root 7 by 2. So allen kedadu sum of square of the sum of the conic. So e1, just I call the name e1, this is e2, so e square, which is equal to e1 square andre 1 by 4 plus illi 7 by 4, which is equal to 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. Option you have the A. Question number 5. In an ellipse, the length of the latus rectum is equal to the semi-minor axis, then find its eccentricity. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಟಸ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಟಸ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ 2b square by a, length of the latus rectum of an ellipse. Semi-minor axis ಏನು, major axis is 2b, length of, so many semi-minor axis ಅಂದ್ರೆ b ಆಯ್ತು. So which is equal to, so 2b square which is equal to a, which is equal to b, or in other words 2b by a, which is equal to 1, or 2b is equal to a, 2b is equal to a. We have the eccentricity b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. So b square ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, which is equal to a value 2b ಬಂದೈತಿ. a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4b square 1 minus e square. This part get cancelled, or 1 by 4 is equal to 1 minus e square, or e square is equal to 1 ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀಯ, so 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 minus 1 divided by 4, or 3 by 4. So this value equal to e square equal to 3 by 4. ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೂಟ್ 3 by 2. ಸೊ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎ. ದಿಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. In an ellipse, x square by a square in an ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square which is equal to 1 if the distance between the directories is 3 times the distance between the foci, then the eccentricity is ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಏನು? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ 2a divided by e which is equal to 3 times the distance between the foci. Distance between the foci ಏನು? 2 times of a. You need to find out the value of e. You need to find out the value of e. ಏನದು? 2 get cancelled, a get cancelled, so 1 by e is equal to 3 times of e, or 1 by 3 which is equal to e square, or it implies e is equal to 1 by times of root 3. So option you have B. Seventh one, if the conic x square divided by 36 minus y square divided by k square which is equal to 1 is a hyperbola, find the value of k if the points 10, 4 is lying on it. And then this point you call it as x, y. So consider mado x square by 36 minus y square by k square which is equal to 1. x ಗೆ 10 ಕೊಡು, y ಗೆ 4 ಕೊಡು. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಸೊ 10 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 divided by 36. y square means 16 divided by k square which is equal to 1. 100 by 36, or you can take 100 divided by 36 minus 1 which is equal to 16 divided by k square, or 100 minus 36 divided by 36 which is equal to 16 divided by k square, or it can be written as 64 divided by 36 which is equal to 16 divided by k square. So 16 ones are 16 fours are 4 ones are 4 9s are ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತಗೋ which goes to k square equal to 9, or k is equal to plus or minus 3. Option you have option D. Question number 8. The curve having the parametric equation x equal to root 3 1 minus t square plus 1 plus t square and y is equal to 2t divided by 1 plus t square is, you need to find out which is the conic exist. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾನಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you need to find out it may be a parabola, hyperbola, or ellipse or circle. So first put x equal to tan theta ಕೊಡ್ತಾ. put x equal to tan theta ಕೊಟ್ರೆ so root 3 ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So or in other words x equal to root 3 cos of 2 theta, or x divided by root 3 which is equal to cos 2 theta. Similarly y is equal to 2 times of tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, or y is equal to sin 2 theta. You call it as equation 1, equation 2. So you can do it x 1 square plus 2 square. You can do it. So x square divided by 3 plus y square divided by 1 which is equal to 1 so, or in other words it can be written as so x square divided by 3 plus y square divided by 1 which is equal to 1, called ellipse. The given conic is ellipse. Option is C. Question number 9. The eccentricity of the hyperbola is 4x square minus 9y square which is equal to 36. So first to standard form convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. It can be written as 4 divided by x square divided by 36 minus 9 square divided by 36 which is equal to 1, divide throughout by 36. Or in other words x square divided by 9 minus y square divided by 4 which is equal to 1. So E is equal to square root of a square plus b square divided by a, which is equal to n keltar ninge. So which is equal to, so square root of a square andre 9 plus 4 divided by 3, which is equal to root 13 by 3. Option you have the B. Question number 10. If the points 2, 5 and 4, 5 are end points of the lattice rectum and 3, 1 is a focus of an ellipse, then the distance between the foci is. The given problem ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 2, 5 and 4, 5 are the end points of the lattice rectum. These are the end points of the lattice rectum. 2, 5 and one more is 4, 5. So another one point 3, 1 is a focus. So I will return 3, 1. Using these 2 points, you can find out the point of these things. I need to find out the distance between the focuses. So using these 2 points, that means you can use midpoint formula. So find out the point of this thing. This point becomes 3, 5. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. You can substitute the points, get the value of 3, 5. Again, using these 2 points, using distance formula, you can find out the focus of the distance. So ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತದು? So 3 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to 0 plus 14, which is equal to 4 units. Answer will be C. 11th one. The eccentricity of the ellipse. There's asked in the question 2000. The 11th one, they asked in the 2019. Simple ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ, ಒಂದು ಕಾನಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸೋ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. You can analyze the question. The eccentricity of the ellipse is 9x square plus 25y square, which is equal to 225. First to standard form takamba. Standard form ge 9x square divided by 225 plus 25 divided by 225y square, which is equal to 1. That means divided by 225. So x square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 9, which is equal to 1. The eccentricity, so E is equal to, il plus idre square root of a square minus b square divided by a. Minus idre it becomes plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So which is E is equal to square root of a square andre 25 minus b square andre 9 divided by a andre 5. So E is equal to square root of 25 minus 9 andre it goes to a 16. Square root of 16 divided by 5, which is equal to 4 by 5. So answer is A. Question number 12. They are asking in the KCET 2018, the distance between the foci of a hyperbola is 16 and its eccentricity is root 2. Then the equation is, so the standard form of the hyperbola is x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square, which is equal to 1. Using given thing, you need to find out the value of a and b. ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? The distance between the foci. The distance between the foci is 2AE. 2AE ಎಷ್ಟದು? 16 or AE is equal to 16 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 or in other words A is equal to root 8. One more thing given, E is equal to, the eccentricity is root 2. So 8 divided by root 2. So or simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀನು, which is equal to 4 root 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So another one thing, B square is equal to A square into E square minus 1. So for the thing of B square ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. A square ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 square into 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 32. E square means so root 2 minus 1. So B square is equal to b square means 32 into 1. So b square is equal to 32. So x square divided by a square antandre a is equal to 4 times of root 2. A square andre 32, which is equal to y square. So this becomes 32, which is equal to 1. We called the rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. Option you have A. So problem number. If the equation of the circle passing through the foci of the ellipse x square divided by 16 plus y square divided by 9, which is equal to 1, and having the center 0, 3. For these things you can find out the foci. So foci is equal to f of square root of a square minus b square, 0, which is equal to a square root of a square under 16 minus 9, 0, which is equal to f of 16 minus 7, 0. Just I call the name c. So I need cf. So using distance formula, you can find out the root 7 whole square minus 3 whole square, which is equal to so 7 plus 9, which is equal to 16, which is equal to 4. Just I call for this thing radius. The equation of the circle for the center 0, 3 and radius is 4. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, which is equal to radius 4 square, or x square plus y minus 3 whole square, which is equal to 16, or it can be written as x square plus y square a minus b whole square apply madidre y square plus 9 minus 6y, which is equal to 16, or x square plus y square minus 6y, which is equal to 7, or x square plus y square minus 6y minus 7 equal to 0 be the required equation of the given thing. Answer is D. So 14th one, the length of the conjugate axis of the the length of the conjugate axis of the hyperbola is 49 x square minus 4 y square, which is equal to 190. First you can convert the standard form, divide throughout by 196. So 49 by x square divided by 196 minus 4y square divided by 196, which is equal to 1, or x square divided by 4 minus y square divided by 49, which is equal to 1, or x square divided by, so 4 square under 2 square minus y square divided by 7 square, which is equal to 1. Yen keliradavaru length of the transverse axis. So length of the transverse axis is equal to x equal to a, or x equal to 2. Answer you have D. I hope you have understood my lecture. If you have any doubts regarding this unit, please post your doubts in the comment box. I will solve those questions in my next videos. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon for our upcoming videos. I wish you all the very best. Thank you one and all.